Welcome to the Bodytronic ID Cam version 2 tutorial, the web application to configure your individually modeled milled orthoses. In this brief instructional video, we will show you how you can quickly and efficiently get started with version 2 of the Bodytronic ID Cam. You will need an internet connection and Google's Chrome browser. First, log in with your online shop access data at idcamrev2.bauerfeind.com. Please note, Bodytronic ID Cam is constantly being developed for you. This can lead to minor differences between the screen display you see in this video instruction and the current system. After successful login, you will see an overview. This includes the sections Order Insole, Patients, Display Orders, Send Orders, Batches, and a link to the Bauerfeind video portal with our tutorials. You can always go back to the Start page using the functions on the status bar at the top. You can confirm orders there, and using the drop-down menu next to your customer number, you can select all the process steps to create your foot orthoses. By clicking on Order Insole, you will be directed to the Customer Data Input screen. In addition to the mandatory fields marked with star, you also have an extensive medical history sheet. This can be exported later with all order data. We will describe this step at the end of the video. When you're using ID Cam version 2 for the first time, please install the plugin loader 2. Click on the blue writing and follow the installation instructions. This step only has to be carried out once. After that, the Loaders button will be activated by clicking on the relevant icon. It will open in a new pop-up window. By clicking on 2D data foot scan, image files of patients' feet can be uploaded. By clicking on Load Left or Load Right, the relevant image file can be selected from your network storage location. After you've selected the patient file, another pop-up window opens to configure the frame rate. You can find this information in your scanner settings. Click on OK, and the image with the configured frame rate will be loaded. Then repeat the process for the other side. You can see further options to display image files under Scan Settings. After successful upload of the data, always confirm by clicking on the OK button highlighted in yellow, therefore completing the upload. Using the 2D Data Brand Soles loader, you have the option to upload blueprints or outlines of the foot as an image file. Proceed as with 2D Data Foot Scan. If you select the Pressure Data loader, you will be able to upload patients' dynamic foot pressure measurements. Here too, click on Load Left or Load Right to select the patient data for each foot. You can apply further display settings and run the measurements. Clicking the yellow OK button saves the files. The upload of LFS scan, import 3D data, is similar to the procedure already described and will be explained in more detail in the tutorial about using the diabetes module. Using the 3D data foam box loader, an imprint foam scanner can be activated directly and scanned data uploaded. However, this function is only available to you if you have connected and pre-configured a scanner. Click on the Category tab and continue to choose the relevant foot orthosis category. You can choose from insoles for adults, insoles for kids, and foot orthoses adapted for people with diabetes. Please note that foot orthoses adapted for people with diabetes can only be selected after uploading 3D data. After selecting the relevant category, you will automatically see the Product tab. You can configure your individual foot orthoses here. Now select the relevant profile using the second tab on the side of the screen. By selecting the basic profile, you will hand over the complete modeling of the foot orthoses to Bauerfeind. For this, some minimum specifications for the desired product must be entered. When selecting the advanced or professional profile, the modeling process is completely autonomous. In the advanced profile, Bauerfeind merely validates the feasibility of your configurations. Modeling and individualizing functional elements are described in detail in the modeling tutorial. Once you have completed modeling, don't forget to click on the floppy disk icon at the top of the screen to save your input. We recommend you keep saving during the editing process of your modeling to prevent data loss. Then continue by clicking on the yellow Save and Next button at the top of the screen. The Continue function is linked with automatic saving to prevent accidental data loss. Have another look at all order details under Show Order Details, or move your order to the shopping cart by clicking on Finish Order. Then you can send your orders to us. By ticking the box at the beginning of each line, you are marking individual orders. You can highlight all orders by selecting the box in the header with the blue background. Then select the command Send Orders in the top right-hand corner, and your orders will be sent. Now you have the option to create another pair of foot orthoses or to go back to the overview. Back in the overview of all your orders, open our order that now has the status Paid. In the Edit column, click Open. After the order has been sent, you no longer have an option to edit the order. You can merely view it. To create a complete order report, click on the report in your required format in the Customer Profile. The next window displays a preview of all order details, including the information on the medical history sheet. Now click on Print to print a physical copy of the report or to create a digital version. Back on the Overview page, you can create a new foot orthosis or look for specific customers under Patients. You also have the option of copying customer profiles without order details. Look for your customer using the search function. In the Edit column for the relevant customer, click on the last action icon, Duplicate Only Patient. Shortly after, the copied customer profile is displayed in the overview, and you can generate a new order. By clicking the duplicate action icon, the complete order with all order details will be copied again.